Meanwhile, a fourth coronavirus vaccine is making its way in the United States. Health experts say it's the most effective to date, not only against the original COVID-19 strain, but other variants as well. News 8's medical reporter Dr. Mary Gillis is here now with more on her conversation with a doctor who says this could be a game changer and possibly end this pandemic.
Yes. Thank you, Phil. Well, let's talk about this right now. The vaccine is called Covovax. It is the latest in a growing pipeline of safe and effective vaccines that have come to market. Researchers from 113 sites across the country assessed 29,000 infected patients. Results of the study showed it is 100% effective against the original COVID-19 strain and 93% effective against the Beta and Alpha variant, both considered variants of concern by the World Health Organization. But what's so special about Covovax compared to Pfizer, Moderna, and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine? Well, I turn to Dr. Christopher Doering, Vice President of Medical Affairs at Franciscan Health, to get some answers.
What they're doing is producing one of the proteins that's particularly immunogenic and seems to be a stable part of the virus, no matter, as the virus mutates. And so their proprietary piece really helps it be delivered into the human body and allows the immune system to recognize it effectively and develop a robust response.
Not only does Covovax offer high protection rates, but the side effects are much milder compared to other vaccines. They include injection site tenderness, headache, and slight fatigue, which lasted on average 3 days. The European Union has sealed a deal with the pharmaceutical company responsible for developing the vaccine. The company is called Novavax. They will be purchasing 200 million doses. Novavax is expected to apply for emergency use authorization of their vaccine here in the U.S. by the end of the year.
So, Mary, before we let you go, vaccinations have essentially plateaued here in the United States. So why the need for a fourth one? Also considering we have so much of the other ones.
Okay, that's a great question. So this study was 29,000 people. It was one of the first or the only study right now that we see protection against variants of concern, Alpha and Beta. So it's very highly likely that when we get a higher sample, people with the Delta, it would protect against that. At least that's what the researchers are saying.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, let's hope
Mary,
so.
thank you.
Thank you, Phil.